Hello guys. I can't create Facebook accounts. Many people have been messaging me asking how to create a US ID and are looking for new methods. Actually, by method, I am an app developer. So, in that case, I've tried to find a solution. So, without further ado, let's get back to the main task. Okay, I will definitely give you this app. Those of you who need it, be sure to message me. Okay, if the app is installed on our phone, here we will provide this APK bundle, inshallah, God willing. Okay, this is our app. Just let it load. Okay, now we can see that an interface has already appeared. That is, the Facebook interface has appeared. So we will just install this. I will provide the APK.
You just have to do the install. Whoever needs the APK must comment in the comment box. Then I will try to provide it to you. Let's go to our app. If we create an account from here now, we can create an account very easily, and our accounts won't get disabled. Get started. Okay, I'm entering the first name. We are creating a US account. Okay, I've entered a name. After that, next. After clicking next, we can select the date of birth from here. Okay, once the date of birth is entered, we will choose what we need from here. I am creating a mail account, so I am selecting mail here. Otherwise, next. Okay, now we will use a Bangladeshi phone number here. And we will not verify that phone number. Then we will convert it into a US account.
How will we do that process? After coming to the password screen, if we select a password or write a password here, for example a password, we can enter a password like this. Okay, we can set a password from here. You should always try to use a strong password. Then, or those who buy IDs from us, they are given a password. So we can use that password here. Then it's not a big deal. So we'll just click next from here. Okay, from here we will now click on Not Now. Or you can click on Save. Then as you wish. You can do whatever you want. If you create your accounts using this system, I hope that not a single account will get disabled. So from here we will just click on Code via SMS. But we will neither send a code nor will we verify with this number. Then what will we do? From here below, we will click on I did not receive the code. From here we will change by confirm by email. So we're just confirming the email from here. Okay, from here, we will work with Sheetmail. Sheetmail is a very good mail service. Within a mail service, let's work with Sheetmail. So Sheetmail accounts get disabled less often. We can just create an email from here. We can create an email with the same name. So David, I just created an email with this. After creating it, the mail address, I'll just copy this, 351, and paste it in the email address field. Paste. Now let's click Next. Let's click Next. And I promise that not a single one of your accounts will get banned, I hope.
If you create accounts this way, the possibility of your account getting banned will be very low. So we've received the code here. Our account is now ready. So we are not giving any access here because it's for security purposes. So we'll just skip from here and look at our next steps to see how we can actually turn this into a United States account. Okay, if you liked the video, please be sure to subscribe. And in the next class, we will discuss how to convert it into a US account. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well and stay healthy. Assalamu alaikum.